Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, Uma Khumalo posted this video of her, you guys looking gorgeous. This was obviously the day of Umusamsele's birthday celebration, and she captioned this video, "Not late, just adding suspense," something like that, you guys. When I looked at this video, I'm just like, "Ay man, guys, remember Uma Khumalo didn't actually give a reason of why she was actually late. Maybe later on, guess she gave a reason to Umusa, but and on that specific episode, she didn't give a reason why she was late. She just said something like, according to her, she is not late, something like that. That time she was 4 hours late, you guys. At least uMangwabege had a story to back up. Ukuthi she had to pick up people in Guboya, the person, her tailor delayed her and whatnot. But when I'm looking at this video, guys, you telling me that Uma Khumalo was 4 hours late, you guys, and then ulate ugel, and then she still has time to take in content. She still has time to take a video like that. I'm just like, no, Makhumalo, you are not beating the allegations of what we've been saying. Uguti, like it's just giving vibes Uguti wenze of coming there late. Because guys, if you're late, okay, maybe I don't really understand it because I'm not a content creator like her. You know, because some people are just like, if it's not on Instagram or if you didn't take a video or picture, then it's like the date didn't happen. So I guess, but there were pictures and to show Uguti this was done before the event. If it was done after the formalities were done, guys, there was a lot of people around that red carpet area. So there's no way she could have cleared all those people after, when it was like the after party. There's no way she could have cleared all of those people just for a video. So it just goes to show everyone was seated inside and she was outside late and she thought, wait, I need to take a video first and then go in. I'm just like, girl, and listen, that she did add the suspense that she's talking about in the caption. She did add it because when she came in, she was a showstopper, you guys, even though it was Musa Mselebu's moment, but she did look good, you guys. Now, the comment section on this video, you guys, I saw some people really feeling like Uma Khumalo is disrespectful towards Umusa Mselebu. I don't know. One thing I want to comment, and I've commended Uma Khumalo about, is her tone. Girl knows how to, and maybe it's because she's just not that person, or maybe indlela akhulise ngayo. Her tone, she will always maintain her tone, even on disagreements she's had with Umusa. Her tone was never disrespectful in a way, and I truly believe in that, guys, that you can get your point across without being rude and disrespectful to a person. So I don't feel like in her words she's ever been disrespectful to Musamselegu. But listen, other people feel like respect is not about words in or as well, you guys. So I saw some comments saying, "Uthi Asma Khumalo, mina bengithandela ukuthi you had so much respect for your husband, and now don't let the money, don't let the wealth get to you. Makhumalo, you're out of line. You don't respect your husband. Life is short. Hloniphi indoda yakho," and all of that. I'm just like, hey, well, guys, I don't know about the respect you're speaking about, but I will definitely say, and I have said, that I feel like uMangwabe and Uma Khumalo coming fashionably late for Musa Mselebu's birthday was kind of disrespectful. So maybe it could be she might not be a person who's disrespectful in words, but she's showing him in action, in her actions, that listen, I don't even want to be here. Because I'm even remembering Loam Imbi that they did, you guys. She came late, fine, all of the wives came late, but when Umbali had to go and fetch her daughter Umawande or something like that, listen, Uma Khumalo was like, ngizokapa, like to say, with angifuni ubalana, any opportunity. I think she even said that on a diary session, any opportunity to leave this place, like, listen, I am with you. So I don't know, you guys, hey, angazi ukuthi ngithini, but I just feel like girl is doing her best, you guys. She's tried to keep quiet. Episode 1 of season 8, we were wondering ukuthi why ethule kangaka, kanti it means ukuthi ugirl akajabulanga. But I never thought I would see this day, you guys. I never thought I would see the day where Umusa's bestie, Utobile, would be like one of the people that is just, like, I don't know, I don't even know what is it, because Natinja, we're still trying to wrap our fingers around what exactly is happening. But listen, people grow up. Ugel is, I guess, standing up for herself, because Umusa does say which he doesn't stand up for any wives. Umuntu akazilwele. So I guess this is her way of fighting for herself. Angazi, guys, you tell me your analysis on this whole thing. Anyway, let's park it right here. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.